Okay, so I take no credit for this discovery, but I did want to see it for myself. A*A. I wonder if that's any clue about who may have once owned this thing. This is obviously straight off of Payphone.com, which is one of the few places you can still buy new payphones. This is in the Bronx, 2134 Starling Avenue. And I just wanted to see for myself if there was any deeper information about this phone's past. And I'm going to have to look this up, but it's going to be hard to find on a commercial search engine, A*A, but I'll see what I can find. I say this is not my discovery. Somebody tipped me off to this on my X account. And X, I have no love for the platform, but I end up, that's really where I do most, if not all, of my social media stuff these days, except for this channel. Oh, and this, this number is listed on my website, and in fact, there were 2 phones listed at this location, and that's another reason I wanted to come here in person. Was to see for myself if there was any trace of that other phone, and sure enough, there's the telltale sign. Concrete smear on a sidewalk. And let's see if I can dig it up. There's a grainy street view image from either 2007 or maybe it was 09, where there was physical evidence in that photo that there was a phone here. But somehow this one has survived. Yeah, there are 2 locations listed on my website, and the 2 phone numbers were consecutive. It's not clear to me, though, if either of those numbers was actually assigned to this one. Just if you wanted a little more context.